Not every business can afford a CMO, even when they probably need one. This is a golden opportunity for agency leaders like you to fly in and save the day. Adam Allen, CEO of Lease My Marketing, leaned into the fractional CMO space and scaled fast. Adam says embracing the opportunity has been a game changer, not only for the impact it's had on their clients, but also in setting his agency apart from the competition. Let's break down his top 5 tips to help you do the same. First, clearly define what you're responsible for. Are you setting the strategy and letting your client's team execute? Or are you managing both strategy and execution? Clarity here isn't optional, it's essential.
Duplicated my web power.
We've found that having clear boundaries not only helps us stay focused, but also ensures that the client's marketing department runs smoothly.
But when responsibilities are clearly defined, you get maximum efficiency. Next up, measurable goals. If your work isn't tied to results, your value is going to feel invisible. That's where Adam's approach stands out.
Whatever we are working on, increasing web traffic, driving lead generation, boosting revenue, our clients want to see the impact we're making.
When you're running strategy across 5+ clients, guessing at what's working isn't an option. Agency analytics makes it easy to stay sharp fast. Clarity and goals are great, but they're nothing without communication. When you're not embedded full-time with a client, communication falls off.
Can you hear me now?
We've found that weekly or bi-weekly check-ins keep everyone on the same page.
The result? Frequent check-ins give you the ability to pivot fast based on real-time data or shifts in business goals. It also shows that they're fully engaged, even if it's on a screen. You also need the right data tools when stepping in as a fractional CMO. When you're juggling multiple clients, these tools aren't just helpful, they're critical. Adam's team uses agency analytics to keep a real-time pulse on their campaigns.
When I think about reporting alone, and reporting is a big component of our business, of course, having reports that are, in the case of agency analytics, automatically updated every day in real time, right? And within a couple of minutes of that activity happening. So that's been huge.
And because the reports are easy to customize, the clients don't just get a bunch of data, they actually get the data. And finally, it's about building long-term relationships.
I've actually turned down business, that they said, well, we just want to pay you the project fee, just like a one-time. And to me, that's just not number one, in our business model.
The goal isn't just to run a campaign. It's to become part of the client's executive team.
You're my lobster.
That's the kind of support a strong fractional CMO brings to the table. If you want to offer fractional CMO services that actually deliver, remember, lead with strategy, stay in sync with your clients, and make decisions based on real data. Tools like agency analytics make that a whole lot easier, giving you and your client a clear picture of what's working. Want to learn more about fractional CMO services? Hit the link in the description to check out Adam's full article. And if you're ready to take your reporting to the next level, start your free trial with agency analytics today.